So what other things do we need to manage for our cat's health? Obviously, flea control's a big one here in Sydney. With this kind of weather, this kind of humidity, fleas tend to pop out of the carpet and that kind of thing. So there are some fantastic flea products available now, and we're also really lucky that many of these products will also treat worms, intestinal worms, and they'll also treat lungworm as well. So products like Bayer's Advocate Spot On is really effective in cats for treatment of lungworm and fleas and those kind of things. There are a range of different other products as well that can be administered as a little spot on the back of the neck. So you should talk to your vets about what's available and what's safe for cats. There are a few supermarket products that are really toxic for cats. There are some spot-on flea controls that contain permethrins, and they can cause cats to have horrible neurological adverse effects and have seizures. And even if you put them on your dog, sometimes the cat can absorb it and get sick. So I always recommend talking to your vet about what the best kind of flea control is. You can also get tablets for flea control now. There's products like Comfortus, where you just give a tablet once a month. Is anyone using Comfortus? Yep. Have you noticed any vomiting with that one? Yep, my cats occasionally do. You can always give the tablet with food, and if they do vomit, you can split it and give half the dose in the morning and half the dose at night. Okay, other things that I wanted to talk about are containing your cat, keeping your cats away from harm. As Michelle said, I work in a 24-hour emergency centre, and unfortunately we do see cats that have had traumatic injuries. And sometimes we actually see a lot of cats that have fallen from balconies or from windows. And often the story is, well, we've lived there for a long time, the cat's never done this before, get a little bit blasé about, closing the door or the window, and one day the cat just decides to jump. They don't always land on their feet, and they can have really nasty, serious injuries, like they can break their jaw and get problems with their lungs and those sorts of things. So if you're on a balcony or if you've got, a window, there are some fantastic cat containment systems. Go online, look at CatMax is really good. And does anyone see the roller fences? Has anyone got one of those? No? Okay. And what they are, they stop your cat jumping out of your yard into the neighbour's yard or from roaming. And basically what it is, it's a plastic sort of tube that goes on the top of the fence. When the cat jumps up, it can't get purchased on the tube and it can't jump out of the yard. They're very, very, very effective. So they're good as well.